In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print a list in Trello. We'll walk through how to quickly get a printable version of a card from a list on your Trello board. To start, open your browser and head to Trello.com. Make sure you're signed in so you can access your workspace. Once you're in, navigate to your boards view. This is where all the boards in your workspace live, and it's the quickest way to jump to the project you're working on. Choose the board that contains the list you want to work with. When the board opens, find the list column that holds the item you want to print. In Trello, each item in a list is a card, and printing is done from the card itself, so click the card to open it in the detailed view. Inside the card, look for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled as More Actions. You'll typically find it near the top right of the card window. Click that menu to reveal additional options. From there, select Share. This brings up sharing options specifically for that card. In the Share panel, you'll see an option labeled Print. Click Print, and your browser's print window will open with a clean, printable layout of the card's contents. In the print preview, you can confirm exactly what will appear on the page. Trello includes the card title and, depending on what you've added, the description, labels, due dates, checklists, and even comments. If you need to fit everything neatly on a page, adjust the orientation between portrait and landscape, and tweak the scale if your browser allows it. If you prefer to save a copy instead of sending it to a printer, choose Save as PDF in your printer destination. That's a handy way to share the card with someone who doesn't use Trello or to archive a snapshot of your work. If you don't see the three-dot menu or the share option, double check that the card is fully open in its own window and not just in quick edit. On smaller screens, the menu might be tucked behind an icon, so scroll or resize the window if needed. Also ensure you have permission to view and print items in that board. That's all there is to it. Open your board, choose the list, open the card you want, go to the three-dot menu, select Share, and then Print. Repeat the same process for any other cards you want to include. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to print what you need from your Trello lists with just a few clicks.